my friends, how are you today? We are going to do something amazing today. What I want to do today has different names. You might call it a Swedish Torch, Swedish Candle, Finnish Torch, Candle, whatever. It goes by different names. But this has been around since probably at least the 1600s. And I want to show you how to burn this log. This is really nice if you want to like make a fire and the ground is wet. It can actually be carried though, just don't hurt yourself. So what I want to do is I want to turn the chainsaw on and I want to do cuts. I'm probably going to do a minimum of 3 cuts all the way across. And I'm going to do it in time lapse quickly so I don't waste your time, but at least for part of it. But I want to do a minimum of 3, maybe 4 cuts all the way across, and then we'll go from there. This is what it looks like right now. This is what it's going to look like. All right, my friends, so right here we have it. You can see I did all these cuts. You can kind of see it looks like that. All right, my friends, so we cut it and we started to light it, but it just needed to be opened up a little bit more. So we went ahead and cut it some more and opened it up. And now we're putting like little tiny sticks in, and I'm just gonna soak it with something like flammable for a little bit first, and just let it like kind of sit there for a while, and then I'm gonna light it. You can probably do it without doing it that way, but softwood's maybe better. Just so you know, this is oak right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just put something flammable in there, let it soak for a while, and then I'm gonna go ahead and light it. So let's go. All right, my friends, I'm just gonna be kind of upfront with you. It took a while to get started, and part of that may have been because the wood wasn't quite old enough. So like if we would have, this one's like more dried out, so if we would have used something like this, it might have started a little bit quicker. I do want to show you that if you have this, you can like put rocks on it, or like bigger rocks, or even like smaller rocks. And you can take like a pan, and you can, this actually has water in it, by the way, and you can kind of like put it on there like this. I just have this little metal thing on here right now. See, I actually do have water on here. I actually want to show you this. I got water, and so I just want to go ahead and put this on and go ahead and let it boil. I don't know how long it'll take, but the log is going. It's taken quite a bit though to get it going, so just make sure your wood is dried out, you know, and I think softwood is better than hardwood. I just got smoke in my eye. So let's go ahead and let this water boil and see how, like roughly how long it takes. This is what the fire looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's definitely lit. Hello, my friends, we have boiling water. This is so amazing. It is just going. It's lit. Okay, so I just want to say a few tips here. Make sure this wood is dry. Make sure it's dry. That can greatly assist you. Also, if these holes are not, these slits right here, they need to be wide enough. And you might as well go ahead and get some, the rooster keeps interrupting me. Little sticks in, you can kind of keep adding them even like right here, and it can really help to build the fire up. But as you can see, the water is boiling. Love y'all, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.